Hold your hands.
I'm not.
On your back.
On my back.
On your stomach.
On my stomach?
Yes.
We just here working, ma'am. That's it. I only have tools on me.
Right here. Turn around.
Which way?
This way.
Just secure them for now. I got you. I got you covered. Secure them
Get on your back.
until we figure out what's going on.
On my back?
On your stomach, sorry.
On your stomach.
On your stomach, sorry. You're fine.
This is-
secure you.
You all are not under arrest?
You're not under arrest. The team, there's a shooting.
Yeah, I understand.
Officer, there's no shooting.
Yeah, we just bystanders. I didn't know you get cuffed up for being a
Be
bystander.
quiet. Please, you're not making it easier.
I'm just working though, ma'am, and you treating me like I got something to do with it.
Sir, please.
It's already bad enough for my
Please,
skin this
Can
color.
you just sit down here? Okay, can you just sit against the wall? Please, scoot yourself over.
This is crazy.
And then I'm out of here again.
Hey, sit still.
She told me to scoot over there.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Go to the wall.
What y'all want me to do?
Fine. No, sit against the
Ah, okay. Y'all confused and y'all look scared like y'all don't know who y'all want to shoot. I ain't.
Hey,
I'm
I need
just
you to shut
working.
the fuck up!
Hey, handcuff
You
him.
hear me?
Hey, it's all right. Handcuff him. Handcuff the second guy. We're good.
I need your badge number, man. This is crazy. I need your badge number, ma'am. This is crazy.
You're fine. There's 2 officers that are shot. I need you police to be cooperative and have some fucking dignity.
I can talk though, ma'am. I'm just
If
working.
you're not in those fucking cops, I will show you how to talk.